So we just heard that we were the winners of an International Business Award. We were thrilled to be nominated, amazed to be a finalist, and then we were chosen. So what this is the Fowler Center for Business as an Agent of Benefit at the Weatherhead School of Management at Case Western Reserve University in Cleveland, Ohio, has what's called the Flourish Prize. And what they've done is they've taken the UN global goals, and we were nominated in goal number 11, which was for sustainable cities and communities. The goal is to make cities inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Our minds are blown that they picked us. It's an international award, and there were some amazing nominees, 800 all up, from 80 different countries. They took the UN's 17 Sustainability Development Goals and they picked our story to take the prize for this category in sustainable cities. It's great to get recognition because we're not a big business and we're trying to change the world in a small yet positive way. So this really helps us to feel encouraged and motivated. Our dearest thanks to Monash University, particularly to Vlad Slaviero, who was a student in the Sustainable Development Institute there at Monash University, who nominated us. There's a link to the story below if you want to read more about us. So I'm really proud to be part of this tiny house movement, which really has the capacity to make housing sustainable. When you look at the number of resources that are required to live in a tiny house, it really gets it down to a sustainable amount of energy and resources. And so we're really proud to receive this, and we want to thank everybody who has been a part of it. And we join with lots of other tiny house people and people thinking about sustainability. Thank you.